82% of my successful business owners out there, the over 1,400 people out there who are kicking it, and kicking it hard, do not have a formal education. What they have is the tenacity, the thirst, and the hunger for business. That's what they have. Everyone, how you doing there? My name is Mitch. So I'm going to talk today about the top 6 issues why people fail or do not get into the home cleaning business. And so there's a couple things there that make sense, of course. Of course, we all have different fears, different hesitations, right? So the first thing we're going to talk about is the fear of failure. And that's what we get. We see these people on their social media sites all the time, talk about traveling, buying cars, spending money, and so on and so forth because of their business is so successful. That in turn can make us as viewers a little hesitant, like, oh my gosh, how did he or she do that? And can I do the same? So we have these constant fears, these walls we put up for ourselves, these speed bumps there where we're just worried about, oh my gosh, if I encounter this, if I encounter that, maybe it's safer to stay in my 9 to 5 where I know what I'm making every month and my boss says this, my boss says that. But yeah, but it's safer for me, right? In my courses, I have a proven roadmap for you. The reason why I say it's proven is because my 12th year doing this in my home cleaning business, I've had quite a few actually because I sell them sometimes. I make a business, I also sell it as well. But my roadmap is proven. It will definitely give you that step by step. It's designed for the beginner, someone who doesn't even have a clue how to start a home cleaning business, who has no clue what it's all about. I will take away the fears because I show you the step by step process. Number 2, a lot of my clients say they never got into it and they regret wasting the months and the years because they had the lack of knowledge. Yeah, every business, no matter what it is, has a basis of knowledge to it. So what do I mean by that? How to acquire customers, right? How to make that one-on-one contact, how to have a phone call with somebody, how to maintain those relationships, or even how to grow the business, right? I have done this myself for many years. I understand how to show you how to acquire that knowledge you need in my course. My course shows you all of that. You will not be alone. I just don't make a video and say, here we go and good luck. I am part of your success. I'm part of your process. 1,423 successful students now have their own home cleaning businesses. Each one has told me they regret not starting sooner. And it makes sense, of course, right? Because once you start making the capital, once you start owning your own business, it just feels good. It's a really great feeling to have something that you own that is yours. Also, too, my course knocks you out of that 9 out of every 10 failure rate for home cleaning businesses. It just does because I give you the step-by-step proven method on how to succeed as a home cleaning business owner. Number 3 is a big one. Lack of funds, right? People always think, oh my gosh, I need all this money to start my business. No, you don't. You don't. You don't. You can start with half your supplies coming from your own home, right? Your basic cleaners, your basic scrubbers. Those things can come from your home, thereby minimizing the effect of you starting out with this huge, a lot of money. You can begin a home cleaning business with less than $150 for starters. That's pretty darn good because the ROI, that's a constant term I want you to understand. The ROI, return on investment, is very quick when it comes to starting out your business. If you spend $150 on equipment, right? $150. You get your first house. It's also $150. You have now zeroed out your ROI, right? But the next house you get is pure return. It's excellent ROI odds when you have your own home cleaning business. It just is. Number 4 is this. I don't know how to get clients. I have one module set aside with 3 mini modules in there telling you how to get clients. Here's the reality for clients, guys. You have more houses out there that are in need of home cleaning professional services than you have home cleaning professional services. This is a secret sauce that nobody talks about because they don't want to share the information with you. But why not, right? There are more than enough clients out there. The problem is that a lot of people start their business and the houses are here, but they're not sure how to get through to the client that they can then do their house. I can show you that again. My courses delineate that. They show that. They reveal that process very simply. It's not as tough as you think. I have to laugh because my students always tell me, I don't know what I was so scared about. I didn't know this. And the reason why is because of this. You don't know what you don't know, right? Therefore, that includes fear. You have fear because you're not really sure what that's all about. How to get a client, how to maintain a client, how to get more clients, right? You just don't know what you don't know. So that incites, that grows, that manufactures this false sense of fear within you, an insecurity you don't need to have. You have a teacher here. See, you're not taught business in school. You're even in college, right? I have a college degree. I took many business courses, right? They teach business, but they don't teach how to do business. Understand? How to make it work. How to go out there and find your clients. How to maintain your clients' happiness. How to do your books. How to do accounting. All that stuff, right? They don't teach you that. They just don't, because most of your teachers and professors teach business, but most do not have a business. You understand? It's like me trying to teach you how to drive a car by just showing you paperwork. Here's how to drive a car. Good luck. Have fun. To drive a car, to learn how to drive a car, someone has to sit next to you to show you how to drive that car. When you think about my courses here, it's not about giving you videos and say, good luck. Yes, there are videos there for sure, but we have one-on-one calls as well. We can talk about what is going on with you to help you out to make sure you get your success. Also, my success is hinged upon your success. That's how that works, right? They are symbiotic. They are together. One cannot do without the other. I need you to give yourself a chance, right? By getting the course that I can step in and show you how to get these clients, how to make business for yourself, and how to free yourself of the ropes of the 9 to 5. Because 92% of people work 9 to 5. There is no need for you to be part of that 92%. Come over here and join the 8%. Number 5 is this. There's a lot of misconceptions about the home cleaning industry. There are things out there that people don't understand. They think it's low income work. They think it's low income work. That cracks me up because 58% of businesses out there pay less than $20 an hour. But yet they have to wear nice clothes every day, have to be presentable every day. They have to look like professionals, right? Making less than $20 an hour. But that's low income too, right? If you look at it from a business owner perspective, that's low income, right? But more people out there do not have skills to own a business. Therefore, you as a business owner will be picking from that group of people. Home cleaning business owners are not low income. Now, they may have to hire people who don't make a lot of money, right? Maybe $15 an hour, 15, 16, whatever it is, right? An hour, right? That's on them. But you as the owner, no, you're not a low income person whatsoever. So people constantly get that misconception. The last point here, number 6, is time management. People worry a lot about, well, what if I don't have time? Well, here's the deal, guys. When you start anything you are serious about, it's going to take time, right? You have, right now, as a 9 to 5 worker, you work Monday through Friday, of course, right? But you have the weekends. That is when, if you're serious with me on this course, if you're with me 100% on this course, you're going to understand Saturday and Sunday are going to become your sacrifice days for the next 6 months probably. Because those are the imperative, the most important days you're going to have to get your business going and to grow it and to actually do the work. Because for the first 6 months, if you just want to be a solo person, it's going to take you and you only to do these jobs most of the time. After that 6-month mark, I can show you how to go on. Now, I got people who start my courses, right? Halfway through, they already have an employee. They have 2. It just all depends on you, right? How serious you want to be. If weekends for you are about drinking beer and watching the sports game or playing video games or scrolling through Instagram and scrolling through YouTube shorts for If that's you, well, it's probably not for you. This is for people who want to have independence and freedom and generational wealth. What do I mean by that? It means that in your absence, if you are gone, if you're no longer alive here, whatever, your business stays and it runs and it takes care of your family. That's generational wealth. People don't ever understand that. When you work at that 9 to 5, you're working for somebody else. It's just working for somebody else. So when something happens to you, they replace you in 1 to 2 days. That's the real hard facts about it. You're replaceable. Last thing is this. I have priced this course in a way that makes it affordable. You can even submit payments for it if you want to. I am trying to show you the easiest, smartest way to own something that is yours. You don't need a college degree. I have a master's degree. I have a BA degree. Great, fantastic. I could still run this course without those degrees. Yes, they've helped me out as far as making the course for you, right? Understanding how business works. But you do not need to have a degree. 82% of my successful business owners out there, the over 1,400 people out there who are kicking it hard, do not have a formal education. What they have is the tenacity, the thirst, and the hunger for business. That's what they have. And they are kicking some serious tail while doing it. Give yourself a chance. Click down below on the link and see what's there for you. Just give yourself a chance. Why not? If you're just doing your 9 to 5 every day and trying to find a nickel here and a nickel there, and you're doing your little, I got my second groove, my second job on whatever. If your second job is working for somebody else, you're still working for somebody else, still making less than, you're not making it. Honestly, you're not. The 9 to 5 is designed to keep the wheels turning for people, right? You are part of that 92% who are just making the wheels run. It's the 8% who run the businesses that you work for, who are watching you do the wheels while they're over there in Hawaii, taking trips, enjoying themselves. Case in point, it's Friday. In 2 days, it'll be Sunday. On Sunday, many people in the 9 to 5 world get into anxiety. Why? Because they have to go to work on Monday. And they have fears about that. Like, oh gosh, Monday. When you own your own business, no one gives a darn about Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, whatever. It just means another day to work for yourself, to have an employee or 2 or 3 or 10 or 12, and to make it work. My business modules will help you become successful, will help you to have your own business. It's for any age, any gender, it doesn't matter, anybody. You just have to follow the courses in the videos that I show you. You hit a bump, you say, hey, I want a one-on-one with you to show me. I've done this so many times for so many years. I have my own home cleaning business. We'll have 2 now. For the past 12 years, I sold 4. I have done this for a long time. If you're serious, click the link below. If you're not serious, that's okay too. Go try something else. It's fine. I support that too. But if you're serious about having a successful home cleaning business, start my courses. Click the link below. Thank you.